In 1904, with Rockefeller money, 9 black men, beginning with Dr. Henry McKee Menton, all the way down to Dr. W.E.B. Du Bois, would create the Pan-Hellenic secret society called the Pan-African Pan-Hellenic secret society of 9 fraternities and sororities. So we can't keep them physically on the plantation anymore. We will design for them a Pan-Hellenic, thank you, Pastor Colleen, secret society of creating 9 black fraternities and sororities that we can control, not just Black America, but the Black diaspora. You're still on the plantation. So then, Omega Psi Phi, or the term Boule, is a Greek Hellenistic term meaning not just the divine 9, but the term Boule goes back thousands of years to Greek antiquity, to Aristotle, Plato, and Socrates, where the Greek government and parliament would choose families of color to protect the interests of the system of Greece and later Rome. So the term Boule represents a gatekeeper, one chosen not by God, to free anyone, but chosen by the same system that had designed the global transatlantic slave trade. Does that make any sense at all? Okay. So they kill a Dr. King and name a holiday after him. Do you understand? So the term Boule represents he or she is a gatekeeper. They're protecting the interests of people who don't look, of people who don't look like you and I. I'm not talking about white people. I'm talking about a system that is a diabolical opposite of who we are. Let's choose 9 men on the 15th of May, 1904. Choose 9 because the number 9 is a birthing number of 9 months. And each of the 9 would create a Black Greek letter, secret society, fraternity, a Black Greek letter, secret society, a sorority. So doctors and lawyers and judges and professors and dentists and politicians would be set up into a future posterity called a new redesign plantation. And this is the term that we call the Manumission Secret Society, designed by John Jay. John Jay, who designed the Manumission Secret Society, because the term manumission means a redesigned slave. We're going to redesign a slave like LeBron, and when he breaks Kareem's record, Kareem will die, and years later, look, listen, I'm just speaking truth. So the Boule represents a gatekeeper, one who has sold out their community because they have no connection to the Black community. They're chosen as messiahs, and they're chosen because they are a kind and sweet Negro. So we cannot have a Malcolm X. We cannot have a Bishop Gators. We cannot have a Martin Luther King because they're too radical. The assassination of Tyree Nichols, an American psyop. So the talented 10th in 1903, the following year, Dr. Henry McKee Minton received $150,000 from John D. Rockefeller, and later in the next 40 to 50 years, even up to this day, the Rockefeller Foundation is the main subsidizer of the Boule Secret Society, who are now headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. It's called Receipts.